Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to explain on how you can use the ChatGPT's Canvas Collaboration Feature. So let's get started. First, go to chatgpt.com, log into your specific account, and there are a few ways to utilize this feature. Imagine that you have a project open in one of your tabs. To begin new Canvas collaboration, click on the plus icon, then select More from the bottom, and finally select Canvas. But before that, you need to have Canvas connected to your ChatGPT account. For that, tap on the Apps option in the left-hand side of the screen. Here, select Canvas under Featured, select Connect, click on Sign in with Canva. And once the authorization is successful, refresh your ChatGPT application or the web browser. Tap on the plus icon over here, select More, and then select Canvas. Now you can ask ChatGPT to generate long-form text such as an essay exceeding 10 lines or a piece of code. The canvas will automatically appear, and you can also trigger it manually within the same chat by simply typing Canvas. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.